Build up.
To increase gradually.
Traffic builds up during rush hour. Bulk up.
To gain muscle or weight.
He's been bulking up for the competition. Bump into.
To meet someone unexpectedly.
I bumped into an old friend today. Bump up.
To increase in amount.
They bumped up the price last month. Burn down.
To destroy by fire.
The old barn burned down last year. Burn out.
To become exhausted from overwork.
She burned out after years of overtime. Burn up.
To be destroyed by fire or to use up energy.
The rocket burned up on re-entry. Burst in.
To enter suddenly and forcefully.
He burst in without knocking. Burst into.
To suddenly start doing something like crying.
She burst into tears. Burst out.
To suddenly say something or do something.
He burst out laughing. Bust up.
To end a relationship or fight.
They busted up after the argument. Butt in.
To interrupt rudely.
Stop butting in on our conversation. Buy back.
To purchase something you previously sold.
The company bought back its own shares. Buy in.
To purchase a share in something.
Investors bought in early. Buy into.
To believe in or accept an idea.
I don't buy into that theory. Buy off.
To bribe someone.
They tried to buy off the officials. Buy out.
To purchase someone's share of a business.
He bought out his business partner. Buy up.
To buy as much of something as possible.
Investors bought up the land quickly. Call back.
To return a phone call.
I'll call back later. Call for.
To require or demand something.
This situation calls for caution. Call in.
To ask someone to come, often for help.
They called in an expert. Call off.
To cancel something.
They called off the wedding. Call on.
To ask someone to do something. To visit.
The teacher called on him to answer. Call out.
To shout. To challenge someone publicly.
She called out his mistake. Call up.
To telephone someone.
I'll call up the office tomorrow. Calm down.
To become less upset or excited.
Just calm down and explain. Camp out.
To sleep outdoors.
We camped out under the stars. Care for.
To look after someone. To like something.
She cares for her elderly mother. Carry away.
To be very excited and lose self-control.
Don't get carried away with the plan. Carry off.
To succeed in doing something difficult.
She carried off the performance perfectly. Carry on.
To continue doing something.
Please carry on with your work. Carry out.
To perform or complete a task.
They carried out the experiment successfully. Carry over.
To transfer to another time or place.
Unused leave carries over to next year. Cash in.
To take advantage of a situation for profit.
Companies cashed in on the trend. Cash up.
To count the day's takings in a business.
We cash up at the end of the shift. Cast off.
To get rid of something, to release a boat.
He cast off his old habits. Catch on.
To become popular, to understand.
The trend caught on quickly. Catch up.
To reach the same level as someone else.
I need to catch up on my emails. Chalk up.
To achieve or score something.
The team chalked up another win. Chase after.
To pursue someone or something.
The dog chased after the ball. Chat up.
To talk to someone in a flirtatious way.
He tried to chat her up at the bar. Check in.
To register your arrival.
We checked in at the hotel at noon. Check into.
To register your arrival at a place.
Let's check into the hotel first. Check off.
To mark an item as done.
Check off each task as you finish it. Check out.
To look at something, to leave a hotel.
Let's check out that new restaurant. Check over.
To examine something carefully.
Please check over your homework. Check up on.
To make sure someone or something is okay.
I called to check up on my parents. Cheer on.
To encourage someone with cheers.
The fans cheered on their team. Cheer up.
To become happier.
Flowers always cheer up a room. Chew over.
To think about something carefully.
Let me chew over your proposal. Chicken out.
To decide not to do something out of fear.
He chickened out of the bungee jump. Chime in.
To add a comment to a conversation.
She chimed in with her opinion. Chip away at.
To gradually reduce or wear down something.
They chipped away at the debt over years. Chip in.
To contribute money or help.
We all chipped in for the gift. Chop up.
To cut into pieces.
Chop up the vegetables for the soup. Churn out.
To produce something quickly in large quantities.
The factory churns out hundreds of units a day. Clam up.
To refuse to speak.
He clammed up when asked about it. Clamp down.
To take strict action against something.
Police clamped down on illegal parking. Clean out.
To empty and clean thoroughly.
We need to clean out the garage. Clean up.
To clean completely.
Could you clean up the living room? Clear away.
To remove something from a surface.
Can you clear away the dishes? Clear off.
To leave a place quickly.
Clear off before the manager sees you. Clear out.
To remove unwanted things. Also, to leave.
We cleared out the old clothes. Clear up.
To tidy up. Also, for weather to improve.
The weather should clear up later. Climb down.
To admit you were wrong.
The minister had to climb down on the policy. Cling on.
To hold tightly to something or an idea.
He clung on to hope. Clock in.
To record your arrival time at work.
I clock in at 9 every morning. Clock off.
To record your departure time from work.
We clock off at 5. Close down.
To stop operating permanently.
The factory closed down last year. Close in.
To surround gradually.
Darkness was closing in. Close off.
To block access to a place.
They closed off the street for the parade. Close up.
To shut completely.
The shop closes up at 6. Cloud over.
For the sky to become covered with clouds.
It began to cloud over in the afternoon. Clue in.
To inform someone of the facts.
Can someone clue me in on what happened? Count in.
To include someone.
Count me in for the trip. Count on.
To rely on someone or something.
You can always count on her. Count out.
To exclude someone. To count money out.
Count me out of that plan. Crack down.
To take firm action against something.
The city cracked down on speeding. Crack up.
To laugh a lot. To have a breakdown.
That joke really cracked me up. Cram in.
To fit a lot into a small time or space.
We crammed in 3 meetings today.